Hello. So here I created first time this a scraper. Basically, this is a scraper for a scrape the side. Like this is a e-commerce site, and here I created this scraper for extract product name, price, and product device. So I will just yeah, let me click on this image. This is product image and also product name and product price. This is for demo purpose. I created first time a scraper, and this is the final code in TS. And for this, after this, we need to convert this TS file in .js file. So this command, this command will convert this code in JS file, and after run that JS file, and that's okay. But maybe sometime we get issues, so I need to now use proxy here.